Dr. Altamas. Today I will do auscultation on my patient, Mohammad Zaid. Mr. Zaid, what problem you have?
Good morning, doctor. I feel shortness of breath, especially when I lay down, and I feel sometimes pain.
Can I do auscultation on your heart?
Yes, you can do.
This is your consent form. You have to sign.
Okay, doctor.
Okay, thank you.
Here I start auscultation and indicating main point. This is apex, this is tricuspid, this is aortic, this is pulmonary, and this is arteries and carotid arteries.
Doctor, did you find anything abnormal?
Yes, maybe it's cardiomegaly. I will write some report like chest X-ray, echocardio. Then we will come.